An inextensible string is attached to 2 points on a ceiling, A and B. A smooth ring, which means the tension is the same along the string, of mass 2 kilograms, is threaded onto the ring and held in position by a force F. We want to find F. Now in this question, I'm going to take G is equal to 9.8. The bead has a mass of 2, and so this is 2G, which of course is going to be 19.6 newtons if G is 9.8. The tension in the string is the same in both directions. That was the point of it being a smooth ring. Now, if I draw a line here, first of all, it should be clear that this angle here is 60 degrees, which means this angle here is 30 degrees, and this angle here is 60 degrees. So I can resolve this tension force here into forces this way and this way. And since this angle is 60 degrees, this one must be T cos 60, and this one would be T cos 30. If we come to this tension force, then going this way, because this angle is 30 degrees, must be T cos 30, which means going this way, we have T sine 30. So if we just look at the horizontal forces, we have T sine 30 degrees plus F, that's the forces acting to the left, is equal to T cos 30. Let's call that equation 1. If we then look vertically, we have that T cos 30 plus T cos 60 is equal to 19.6. Forces up equal forces down. Now working with equation 2, T into cos 30 plus cos 60 is equal to 19.6, which means that T is equal to 19.6 divided by cos 30 plus cos 60. And so we can calculate that. 19.6 divided by cos 30 plus cos 60. And that gives me 14.35. to 2 decimal places. Now we're trying to find F. And from 1, F is equal to T cos 30, take away T sine 30. So once again, we can calculate, and we have my last answer times cos 30, take away my last answer times sine 30, and that gives me 5.25 newtons, correct to 2 decimal places.